Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
花
Next, let's watch the pronunciation demonstration.
花 h u a 花花鲜花鲜花这是一朵鲜花。这是一朵鲜花。花园花园那片花园美极了。那片花园美极了。花钱花钱你又花钱买东西了。你又花钱买东西了。
Now let's see how to write this character. It's a bit difficult when you first start writing Chinese characters. Write and imitate more, and you'll get better gradually. The upper part I write indicates that it is related to plants. This character means flower or to bloom. Sometimes it also means to spend, such as spending money. In Chinese culture, different flowers have different meanings. For example, the peony symbolizes wealth, the lotus symbolizes purity, and the plum blossom symbolizes strength. Pay attention. This stroke is very important. And this stroke should be a little longer. Time passed quickly in this lesson. Class is over. Goodbye.